So in this video, I want to show you how to use the Fibonacci retracement tool to determine possible retracement levels that price is going to get to before price continues in the original direction. So when we talk about retracement, what do we mean? When you look at any chart, you see that the market moves in waves. We call this an impulse move, and then you get a corrective move. Then you see another impulse move, then you see a corrective move. Now we're seeing another impulse move and we want to see the corrective move. That is how the market moves. So what we are looking for is a better point to join this upward trend to continue up. That is just what we are looking for. So in that sense, you can use your Fibonacci retracement to capture that retracement to see how much or how deep the market is going to pull back to before going up again. In an upward trend, to use your Fibonacci retracement tool, you need to identify your swing low and your swing high. So in this case, our swing low is right at this point and our swing high is right at this point. All you need to do is to pick your Fibonacci retracement tool, which you can get right from this object's toolbox. So when you click on that object toolbox, now I have it as one of my favorite tools, but if you do not have it here, all you need to do is come to this plus button here and click on it. Then from that, you go to Fibonacci. So under this Fibonacci, you come to Fibonacci retracement tool and you pick the Fibonacci retracement tool. So when you pick it, you will see at the top right corner of this chart, the tool is showing that it has been selected here. We want to see how much pullback we're going to get from this upward move before we see a continuation. So take the Fibonacci to this swing low, place it at the swing low, and then drag it to the swing high. So you can always adjust it so long as these dots is still on the line. And when you're done adjusting, you can just fix it by tapping on it. So right now we have our Fibonacci retracement level shown here. This low where it started is 100%, while the highest point it got to, which is the swing high, is the 0%. Now the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level is a shallow retracement level. The 38.2 retracement level is also a shallow retracement level, though sometimes the market can reverse from that 38.2, but both of them are considered as shallow retracement level. That means if you're looking for a good entry, you shouldn't be looking to take your entry from these two retracement levels because they are shallow. The next one is the 50.0% Fibonacci retracement level, which is a deep retracement level. So from 50%, one can start looking for buy opportunities to join the current trend. And you can see that it aligns with this key level. So that is a good point for one to start looking for buy opportunity. However, it's even better for one to wait for a deeper retracement. So a deeper retracement is 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level and 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. These two are deeper retracement, which offers better trade opportunity if you want to catch the current trend, because if the market retraces back to these ones and you're taking a long position, your stop loss will just be below this most recent low, while your target will be this high and above. So that is exactly how you identify how much pullback you can get in an upward trend with using your Fibonacci retracement tool. I hope this has added value to you and to your trading. If it has, kindly hit that like button, make sure you leave a comment, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out when I release my next video.